What's going on, guys? Scott Muir here. First, I'd like to thank you for getting to this stage. Now, what to expect over the coming days. Partner Zach Crawford is going to be teaching you how to build a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. Could make you tens of thousands of dollars per month. We will show you the exact strategies to build a 7-figure business, so that way you can duplicate the result. Now let me show you why most people fail before they even start. So if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll show you my irresistible bonus offer. So, why most people fail and are not successful online. Reason number 1, they have no idea where to start or how to start. They purchase products that promise them this and that, and after they buy the product, they're left with no support. So reason number 2, they're not given the skills to make a daily action plan to guide them to results. And reason number 3, they don't have a proven mentor with a track record to help them achieve their results and their desires. Affiliate marketing is most people's business model, but there's a big problem. The big problem is, most people think affiliate marketing is a scam. Let me talk you through some of the points. Most affiliate marketing programs are not built for the customers to make money. It's the creditors, the ones who make money. Plenty of affiliate programs don't offer premium coaching and done-for-you services to help the customer achieve large commissions. Most affiliate programs, you need to have hundreds or thousands of sales to cover your full-time income and support your family. Most affiliate programs do not have a phone sales team to close your sales for you. Imagine not having to do that. Most affiliate programs are designed for the big players in the business, so the average blue collar worker really misses out. Here are some of the results by some of the students in the MCS program. First up, you've got Nate. Nate started about a year ago, 2021, and it's now smashing $20,000-$30,000 a month. Then you've got Daniel, who's now hitting records of $50,000 a month. And you've got Romany, a single mum, who smashed $14,000 in 30 days as a beginner. Many of Zach's students made their first $2,000 within 30 days. You've got Andre here. He smashed his first $2,000 commission within his 30 days. Also Gemma, as you can see, and you've got Sergio, who's a big player from another program who entered this program and made a sale within 2 or 3 days. The MCS program has also produced several 10k club members, which is an award Zach gives out after anyone reaches the 10k mark. So on the left hand side here, you've got Ahmed and his wife Jennifer, who after 17 days produced the $10,000 and received their 10k club award. Then in the centre, you've got Parker, who quit his 9-to-5 job after starting this. He earned his 10k award in 14 days. Then you've got Jenna, who once again earned her 10k award within 30 days. So as I promised, if you stuck with me to the end of this video, and you decide to join the MCS program with me, the next 10 people will get my irresistible offer from me. Let me show you the bonuses. So as I said, limited to the next 10 slots. So when you partner with me, you'll get bonus number 1, a lifetime access VIP 1-to-1 support, which is valued at $2,997. Bonus number 2 is lifetime access to my private Facebook mastermind group, which has inside it 6- and 7-figure earners valued at $495. Bonus number 3, again lifetime access, all the previous mastermind group coaching and mentorship calls, which is valued at $2,997. So bonus number 4 is access to my done for you 2,000 a day email swipe file, which is valued at $297, which gives you emails ready to go, ready to put into your autoresponder. Bonus number 5, super affiliate social media channels audit. This is where me and my mentor will go through your social media channels and give you an audit on how to optimise them to get the best value from them. That's valued at $4,975. So if you're interested in being one of these 10 people and want to partner with me, down below you'll see a button that links you to booking a call. So click the button, book your call, and we'll see you on the other side.